Dear students, now start interesting math quiz question. Question number 1. 11 minus 8 is equal to option A 9, option B 7, option C 4, option D 3. The correct answer is 3. Question number 2. 12 minus 5 is equal to option A 7, option B 9, option C 10, option D 5. The correct answer is 7. Question number 3. 14 minus 5 is equal to option 11, option B 9, option C 10 and option D is 8. The correct answer is 9. Question number 4. 13 minus 6 is equal to option A 7, option B 8, option C 9, option D is 6. The correct answer is 7. Question number 5. 15 minus 8 is equal to option A 7, option B 6, option C 9 and option D is 8. The correct answer is 7. Thank you for watching.